Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to do my Breyerfest Haul for 2026. I did not go. I did the online ticket. And with every online ticket, you get the celebration horse. And this one is Corgi Hill Flinka. And thing I don't collect boxes. And she seems to be really pretty. I'm dying to see the shading. See, and the problem with this particular mold is that she only comes in certain colors in reality, right? So do this quickly. And then have to be careful. These wires don't scratch her as I pull her out. There we go. So that's nice shading. That's different. It's sooty. I kind of like sooty. It's got a bright spot there. That eye looks nice. It's got a really nice dorsal stripe. Really well done. I don't see any issues with her at all. She's looking nice. All right, so Corgi Hill Flinka, that's your celebration model. I don't see anything to complain about on her. She's lovely. Next thing I did is I went to the store, and this is Best of Breyerfest Stablemates. I don't yet have all of these, but I do like this particular series. That's nice. And this is the one where it's here we go. Let's see what we got. This one is Cattle Gat. And inspired by Calibra Reserve Champion Open Show. And that was on a Marabella mold. So I like those. I mean, there's just so much detail on these when they do the Best of Breyer. I like him. Really nice paint job. And then we've got, this is Anderstorp, Anderstorp, inspired by Monaco. Monaco was on the Big Ben model. So as another, we're just masking is sharp. Just a touch of overspray there, a little bit there. But really not enough that I would, God, look at the eyes. Look at that. That's just a little bit of pink on the nose. Oh, so pretty. That's really pretty. All right, and now we have Faro, inspired by Capri. So Capri was on the Huckleberry Bay. He's nice. That's nice. And that was early bird raffle prize. So that's really nice. Then we've got STJARNA Stjarna, inspired by Shirin. Oh, it's a lovely mold. Isn't that lovely? 2008 Festival of Champions contest prize model. He's really nice. Oh gosh, he's really nice. Look at that. No complaints about him at all. Ugh, gorgeous. And last but not least, we have Stovel, Stovel, inspired by Tatsi. So Tatsi was also on the Indian Pony. And I have her. It was a 2008 volunteer model. So, glossy. It's got just a hint of dapples there. Yeah, I volunteered that year, and I have her hiding on my shelf somewhere. Way up top. I have to get a ladder to get her, so. No, you don't get to see her. But yeah, I have the volunteer model, and she's very pretty. She's just lovely. Oh, that is lovely. The stablemate, they had, they usually have like a day pass stablemate. This one was Hygge, Hygge. Pardon me. There he is. So that was your day model. Day pass model, I think. That was in the store. Now, when you do the online, you don't get to pick your special runs, but you have access to the store. So the ticket is a lot less expensive. What's wrong right there? Ooh, that's a mold problem. It's got an indentation on right there in his rump. Huh. It's an issue with the mold. So I don't know if it's supposed to be there. Is that supposed to be like definition? Because there's another one right here that looks like it's supposed to be muscle. Huh. Doesn't look right. Anyways, he's cute. I like him. When you do the online ticket, you do have access to the store. Not the special runs, but the limited editions. And you can pick whatever's in there, and you're not first come, first serve. I mean, it opens that like at 10 or 11 online, and if you don't get there, they sell out really quick. And you only really kind of get the leftovers after everybody who physically goes gets their preference. So it's not the Breyer store where I got him and the other stablemates. That's open to everybody, sells out quickly. The next one I have is the Scandi Surprise. And this was, I actually didn't like any of the models this year. Am I horrible or what? But this one here is Vermeer. And it was a surprise. I had to find out what it was. And once I found out what it was, I was like, well, I like that mold. I'll see which one I get. So there's like 4 different colors. And there's either glossy or matte. So you just don't know what you're going to get. And that's the surprise. So, there was like a champagne colored one. There's a dapple bay, I think. There's a bay. Champagne bay. There's a leopard. And there's a decorator. Those are the Those are the options. Hang on, let me cut that open. I don't know if I'm allowed to show that on there. So we're gonna find out which one we get. Hopefully it's one I will like. But that's the surprise. Oh, what did we get? So it looks like the bay. It's the bay. I would rather have the leopard, but he's a glossy bay. He's glossy. I don't know what the numbers were. When I went to buy him, is one of 1,440, I guess. So it's very glossy. And if you can see the dapples through the gloss. He is nice though. I like this mold. I know I'm not supposed to because his neck is all wrong. He would not. That's not a natural position. He would be in tack. I guess that's why I like him, because I look at him automatically say, "Ooh, double bridle," because that's what he'd be wearing. But anyways, that's the Scandi surprise, and I got the Dapple Bay, and he is very pretty. I'm not disappointed. I would have preferred something that had color instead of a bay. Oh, he's got a little something on him right there. That's one little something. I think he fell. No, it's underneath the gloss. Huh. Well, he fell before they glossed him then. So... man, he's big and heavy. All right, so that's the trouble I got myself into. Safer to do the online ticket if you don't have money. If you got a good budget for it, go to Breyerfest. I had the arena entertainment on all day, all weekend, and even though it repeats, it was still fun to watch. And I'm usually stuck in my office doing stuff. Not stuck, but I'm usually in my office being a Frankenstein of some sort. Not Dr. Frankenstein, creating things and bringing them to life. So it was nice to have horse entertainment on. So I recommend the online. If you can't physically go, then... get an online ticket, because then you can watch what's going on. And since I've been there before, I swear, as soon as I saw that arena, I could feel that cool breeze coming through. And there's the lemonade stand. And I took my daughter one year and I sent her a picture of that lemonade stand from inside the arena. And she remembered the same thing. It just, everything came back that whole entire weekend. We had a blast together. So, that's Breyerfest 2026, and if you went, you could tell me what you got and how happy you were and what your favorite events were and all of that. And I appreciate you spending time with me today. If you could help out the channel to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Have yourself a really good day. Bye-bye.